Welcome to Day 10 of the 50 Skills in 50 Days series, where we dive into video editing. This is a highly profitable skill with potential earnings ranging from $25 to $120 per hour. You can also obtain a free certificate from Allison and find jobs on platforms like Upwork. For the next 50 days, I'm teaching one in-demand skill daily. Today is Day 10, and we're focusing on video editing. You can learn this skill in just 2 to 4 weeks and earn between $25 and $120 per hour. By the end of this series, you will have 50 portfolio-ready skills. Video editing is the process of assembling and manipulating recorded footage into a finished product. This includes cutting clips, adding music, color grading, motion graphics, and storytelling. You can apply this skill to various areas, such as YouTube content, films and ads, or social media reels. You'll master several key video editing software options. For industry standard work, there's Adobe Premiere Pro. DaVinci Resolve is professional and free. CapCut is great for beginners and mobile editing. After Effects is essential for motion graphics. Finally, Filmora is easy for beginners, and iMovie/Shotcut are 100% free options. Let's look at potential earnings. Beginners can earn $15 to $25 per hour editing short-form content. Mid-level editors working on corporate videos and ads can earn $30 to $60 per hour. Advanced editors focused on film trailers and motion graphics can make $75 to $120 per hour. Agency or staff roles offer salaries of $55,000 to $110,000 annually. Note that top freelance video editors on Upwork can earn over $200 per hour. You can earn a free certificate for video editing through Cursa. This recommended course, Video Editing and Production, is 100% free, takes 6 to 8 hours, and is self-paced. You'll receive a free digital certificate after scoring 80% or more. Cursa offers over 6,000 courses to build a full skill stack. Another recommended course offering a free certificate is Here Now. Their video editing and production course is self-paced, lasting 6 to 8 hours, and provides a free digital certificate for achieving an 80% score. Here Now is one of many platforms offering free skills training. Skillwahala also offers a free certification. Their video editing and production course is beginner to advanced, requiring 6 to 8 hours of self-paced learning. You can earn a free digital certificate by scoring 80% or more. This is another opportunity to build your skill set for free. Noble Desktop provides a free video editing and production course, taking 6 to 8 hours of self-paced study. You can earn a free digital certificate by scoring 80% or higher. Utilize this resource to gain a recognized certification at no cost. Finally, WS Cube offers a free video editing and production course. It's designed for beginners to advanced users, self-paced, and takes 6 to 8 hours. Successfully completing the course with an 80% plus score will earn you a free digital certificate. DigitSkill offers a free video editing and production course for beginners to advanced learners. The self-paced course is 6 to 8 hours long and offers a free digital certificate once you score 80% or higher. This adds another option for obtaining a valuable, free certification. To land your first job, consider Mandy, a recommended job platform that is free to join. It is one of the world's largest freelance marketplaces for video editors. You can create a profile, showcase your reel, bid on jobs, and benefit from secure payment protection. Beginners can often find their first clients within 1 to 2 weeks. Glassdoor is another platform to consider for finding your first job. As a freelance marketplace for video editors, it allows you to build a profile, present your reel, and start bidding on projects. Glassdoor ensures secure payment and helps beginners secure their first clients quickly. Guru.com is another excellent option for landing your first video editing job. It is a large freelance marketplace where you can create a profile and bid on available jobs. Guru offers secure payment protection and helps beginners quickly find their first clients. Freelancer.com is one of the world's largest freelance marketplaces for video editors and is free to join. Create a profile, showcase your reel, and start bidding on projects with secure payment protection. New freelancers can often land their first clients within 1 to 2 weeks. Your action plan to get hired involves 4 steps. First, learn. Enroll free on Allison and complete the video editing and production course. Second, practice. Edit 3 sample projects like a vlog, a short ad, and a reel, and post them online. Third, certify. Score over 80% on Allison's assessment to get your free certificate. 4th, apply. Build an Upwork profile, add your reel and certificate, and send your first 5 proposals. Day 10 is complete. Video editing is a highly in-demand online skill. Get your free course certificate at Cursa, find jobs on Mandy, and aim for top earnings of $120 per hour. Follow tomorrow for day 11. Remember, 50 skills, 50 days, 0 excuses.